Our first port was Ketchikan, but we were 2 hours behind schedule due to the ship's technical issues. These photos were taken as we were approaching Ketchikan. That was Majestic Princess, docked at berth number 2. Crown Princess docked at berth 4, so it was about half a mile or a 10-minute walk to the downtown area. We didn't get any shore excursions for Ketchikan. We just downloaded a walking map and explored the town. Just outside Burger Queen is the Tunnel of Ketchikan, according to Ripley's Believe It or Not. This tunnel is the only one in the world that can be driven through, around and over. At the end of the tunnel is Eagle Park.